Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character "si" step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write "si." This. For example, 斯文斯文 refined educate or polite. Here is a sentence. He is a quiet and gentle man. He is a quiet and gentle man. 他是个安静且斯文的人。他是个安静且斯文的人。他是个 he is 安静 quiet 且 and 斯文 gentleman 的人。He is a quiet and gentleman. 他是个安静且斯文的人。My casual handwriting on the character 斯。This 斯文 refined educate polite. He is a quiet and gentleman. 他是个安静且斯文的人。斯 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 斯. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.